What is up, you guys? It's Chris here. Welcome back to the channel. It's Makeup Monday, and it is, I don't know, I just felt, I guess, like, green? I don't know, I'm just feeling the green. I'm just like feeling the green aesthetic. Today's video, I'm very, very excited about, and I've been looking forward to it for like a week now since I got this product. We are doing something super strange, but also something that I am very looking forward to. We are going to be trying the Ardell Aqua lashes. I was at CVS the other day because I'm always at CVS, and I saw these, and I was really curious and intrigued. I've never seen them before, so I'm assuming they're new or so old that they just stopped selling them in normal places, which could easily be the truth. I don't actually know. Apparently you just dip them in water and then they stick on your eye. That technology is very fascinating to me. So we're gonna try it. And if it flops, it flops. And if it bops, it bops. So, okay, let me do some research on it first, because I actually didn't do that. Okay, so I'm on the Ardell website right now, and I'm looking at Aqua lashes, and it says, introducing Aqua lashes, the first water-activated strip lash on the market. They're designed to give you stunning lashes in seconds without glue, thanks to a patent-pending water-activated band. No additional adhesive is needed, which makes it perfect for beginners or anybody in a rush. No tape, no glue, no hassle, period. Okay, so this is the style 344. Features a medium volume, short length, and a rounded shape for a pretty eye-brightening effect. Okay, well these retail for $5. I feel like in comparison to like a normal like Wispies, those are usually what, like $3 or $4, so maybe they're like $1 more. Yeah, I don't know. I just was super curious. So we're gonna try it. I have my little bowl of water right here. I guess that's what you do? I don't know. Check fit. Align the band with natural lash line to check for fit. Remove excess tabs by trimming ends, blah, blah, blah. Activate adhesive. Immerse lash band in warm water. Oh, warm? Oh, it's not warm. Oh well, 10 to 15 seconds. Ensure lash band is fully saturated before applying to lash line. Apply lashes. Secure lash band by pressing onto lash line. To remove, saturate a cotton swab with water and apply along. Okay, we don't need that. Let's open these babies up. Oh, there are instructions. Cute. They're so small. Check fit. Okay, I already read all that on the website. This is really, really strange. This looks really, really weird. This band is like metal, it's like shiny. I don't know if you can see it. It's very weird. They're very stiff. I pretty much know the fit of mine. If you've never used an eyelash before, you want to go ahead and put it up to your eye and see what you need to cut off. I pretty much know usually what I cut off of eyelashes, so I'm just going to do that really quick. They look pretty even to me. I don't know which side is which. I guess we're just going to do the right side. So here we go. I'm going to take this and I'm gonna, 10 to 15 seconds, although this isn't warm water, so maybe like 30. And we're just going to submerge. This is really weird. This is really strange. 10 more seconds. Okay, and now we need to secure it to the lash line. This is really weird. These are like soaking wet. Okay, they're a little short for me. This is really interesting. This is really, really strange. Is it sticking? I can't tell if it's sticking. It's interesting. I'll say that I might, I feel like I may need to add some mascara. It's really strange. They're like soaking wet. My eyelashes are very, very damp and my eye feels very heavy. Guys, I don't know. The band is really weird. The band is like a, sharp, dark black. And in contrast with me that doesn't really wear eyeliner all that much, you can definitely tell that there's a band. It's not very thin. It's very, very obvious that there is a lash band there. Okay, let's just do the other one. We'll let this one dry while we do the other one. Like I don't even know if it's sticking on my eye. My hands feel sticky, which is interesting. Let's try the left eye. Here we go. Submerging for another 30. All right, 30 seconds are up. And remember, I'm using 30 seconds because this isn't warm water, this is cold water, so I just thought I would double the time. These are so wet, I can't even believe it. Okay, where's my mirror? Here we go. Guys, I don't know. I don't know about this. I don't know about this, y'all. I really don't. This is interesting. We're pressing down, we're pressing down. I don't know. I don't know if I believe in this yet. They look... Okay, here's the other thing. These aren't... regardless of the lash adhesive, I don't think they're very cute. I barely cut the ends off and they are like barely meeting the ends of my eyes. I don't know if you can see that super well. I cut off literally only the tips that didn't even have lash on them. They are not even close to reaching the ends of my lashes. They just look a little fake. I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on as soon as it dries. Like, it's not bad, it's very weird. I just don't know how I feel about it. I don't know how I feel about it. Are they reusable? Can we do this again? Like, is this a one-time thing? Be the first to review this product. Okay. It could be a lot worse, I guess. I don't know. They look really fake. I'm not gonna lie. They're looking really, really fake. I'm gonna put some mascara on. Are they dry? I don't even know, bro. I don't even know if they're dry. I will say that they were kind of easy to put on. You just kind of put them there and they stuck right away. They didn't feel like they were moving. So I guess, yeah, for beginners, sure. For somebody that's in a rush, sure. Let me throw on some mascara. Gonna go ahead and use the queen from the last Makeup Monday video, the Lash Extending e.l.f. mascara, because she really did that. And we know for sure she works. So let me go ahead and add some mascara and see if that makes a difference. Oh no. I think it's coming off. Yeah, the lash band is coming off. It is coming off of my eye for sure. So this is really just not working whatsoever. Oh, guys. It's not going very well. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is problematic. Let's try the other side. Oh no. Okay, let's hope we can get this to stay on while we do this. Okay. Y'all tell me. What do you guys think? You know what? It could have been worse. They could have not been on my eyes. They're not moving, so they're on there. They just are very poorly designed, I think. The lash band is very, very black. And for somebody like me who doesn't wear eyeliner, oh no. I also just went to fix it and all of the mascara, do you see that? Just came off of that one little dot. I went to fix it because they're wet. Okay, well, I just don't think they're designed very nicely. I think the lash band is very obvious. Even if you were wearing eyeliner, I feel like you still would be able to see that lash band. It's very, very, very prominent. I will say though, it markets it as good for beginners. And if you're a beginner and you've never worn a lash before, dip it in the water, pop it on, and you've figured out how to do a lash. I don't know how well they wear. I'm gonna take them off at the end of this video so we can see how well they were actually sticking to my eye. The mascara did not work, and it wasn't the mascara's fault. I'll tell you that, because this was proven to be effective 2 weeks ago. Or last week, whenever we tried this. This was the e.l.f. mascara. Y'all saw it was pretty. So we know the mascara works. So the fact that the mascara wasn't working is proof that it wasn't the mascara. Okay? They just aren't very cute. They're more for efficiency than they are beauty, I think. So, you know what? If you're in a rush and you, like, maybe for emergencies, if you want to keep a pair of these, like, if you got a backpack or something, or a purse that maybe you're like, maybe one of my eyelashes are gonna fall off one day, I should have one that I could just dip in water and call it a day. Maybe you want to buy this just for, like, very, very last minute, worst case scenario emergencies. I don't know. I don't really feel that pretty. The technology is honestly really cool. I mean, like, I would love to see this work someday better in the future. Like, I don't look like her. And it's not because I'm not wearing eyeliner. She isn't either. And my eyes don't look like that. So I think at the end of the day, if you want to try it, try it. They're $5. It was fun. It was cute. It's interesting to see how things work and all of that. But I wouldn't wear them as my everyday lashes. That's for damn sure. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is freak the freak out. And what we're going to do after we freak the freak out is I'm gonna try to take these off. We're gonna see how easily they pop off because that will determine whether or not they last. So let me try to take this off and we'll see. Are you guys seeing this right now? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, oh no, it's like I walked into a spider web. It's in my mouth. Oh, it's all over the eyes. I don't know if that's because they didn't dry all the way, but they've been on for like 20 minutes. Oh, I'm scared to take these ones off. Oh my God. Oh, Do you see that? Do you guys see this? Oh my goodness. Are you looking at this right now? Are you seeing the cobweb adhesive that's coming off with these lashes? Guess we're never wearing those again. Oh my goodness gracious. Nope. Well, they were fine until that happened. I can't. This is turning into a much bigger flop than I had anticipated it being. My hands are filled to the brim with mascara and goop. So, oh goodness gracious. Great balls of fire. That was a mess. Let me just fix this. Let me put some mascara on the rest of my eyes. I'm sorry. I need to fix this. All right. Let me just get my life together real quick. Okay. Let's discuss. Everything was fine. Everything was fine. Everything wasn't great. Everything was fine up until I tried to take them off. And it literally became cobweb adhesive as I tried to pull it off. Usually I'm one to be optimistic and be like, maybe I didn't let them dry all the way. But here's the thing, your eyes water. So is that what's gonna happen when they get wet? Like, so even if they do dry and they do solidify, it told me to take them off, to take a cotton swab with water and get it off. So that would have happened either way, even if I had let them dry all the way, which they were on for 20 minutes. I feel like they should have been dry. Long story short, that probably would have happened whether or not they had dried, or if I'd let them on all day and I pulled them off later tonight. If you want to try them, I really, really hope that you have a better experience with them than I just did. I don't think we'll be using those again. So what I said about having one as an emergency, that needs to be like an emergency. Like, all of your natural lashes have fallen out, you've lost your mascara, and you just need something that is going to give you eyelashes. Sure. But on the everyday use, I would steer clear. Sorry, Ardell. I love all of your other products, but these aren't it, baby. I'm sorry. I would prefer not to have cobwebs stuck to my eyelashes when I take off my falsies. Okay, that was a roller coaster. Thank you guys so much for joining into this video. Hopefully the next Makeup Monday will be a little more, what's the word I'm looking for? Successful, I guess. But until then, please enjoy watching this video over and over again, because honest to God, what a trip. Feel free to make your own decisions based off of what you saw in this video. The next Makeup Monday that I have coming is going to be a very cute one, so stay tuned for that. I promise it will be better than this, I guess, travesty, you could call it, that was this week. I have another video coming on Friday too before that, so stay tuned. I love y'all, and don't forget to wear a mask and spread love like it's butter. Bye guys.